Alright, well, I did get all this out this morning, so I'm going to see if the EM1 is in a good mood. Give it a little prime there. I was going to say, I haven't touched the needle, so I should be able to give it a good prime, and then okay, so it needs a little bit more because it's a chilly day out. There we go. See, and that EM2, as soon as I get that figured out, I'm pretty sure it'll just run tick-tock like this EM1. All those set screws in place and just right, and it starts real nice.